apparently today we are
installing power steering.
Yeah, because our option before was either we go to a 60 series power steering involving a bit of welding, cutting, and also a lot more expensive, or a 40 series where it's kind of a plug and play.
We've managed to acquire a 40 series petrol power steering.
Yes.
That we're going to install in here.
So let's see if it is a plug and play, and we'll go from there. We have cleared up the path.
We have.
And about to remove this bit.
You're break the seal, so to do it, just get on the extremities and give it a really good wriggle, and then you'll feel it pop off. Okay.
I've removed the steering wheel, so now that we have the access to remove the steering column. This in here was where everything was stuck, and we got it stuck. We were trying to jimmy it and couldn't get it. And Chris came and pushed it that way, and then it popped straight back out. The next step is we remove the box.
Nice.
This is our old power steering. Well, our old lack of power steering. And this beauty gives us power steering.
She's my electric lady, and now I'm losing control.
That much different between the new and the old steering, which is not that much, but all that is required.
Show me completely. No matter what happens, we'll always be better alone.
We cleaned it off, and now therefore we brought it back to the steel, so we want it back to black. So chroma, black paint.
Your heart now, it's just how it goes. And I'll be your evil doctor. I'm gonna give you my love.
We painted the column as well as that bit here. And to dry, I had to find the high point. So the tripod, perfect painting drying rack. Now that we have painted everything and everything is ready to be put back on, we need to change the mount. So this mount, where comes the pump, so we can fix it and we can have power steering. The next step is to lift the engine by a few millimeters so we can remove the old mounts and put the new one in.
You touch me so tenderly, I want you tremendously. My heart knows no remedy, I don't know no remedy. My heart calls for heavenly.
How feral it is. It even has a pit of filth. Now we're putting on the one for the power steering from the other 40. So our actual power steering mount needs an extra little section. So I might just wipe the grease off.
We have the mount in, and now we need to torque the bolt to a certain number. Like increase on the manual, on the tablet, and a bit of Google to figure out what is the correct number to use. But we're getting there. Found it, 65. Time to torque the bolt. Finally got it in. And all that thanks to Chris and his unlimited supply of ratchets.
Ratchet man. I'm working out which piece I put on first, whether and put this, the pump before the box, because it goes down and down the front. So I think I might go that because it feels pretty fiddly.
Well, I got too excited, I forgot to film. But the steering box is now in. Didn't have to remove the guard, which is pretty good.
All I need is just to live one last night. Tired of being in hell all alone.
And now we are reassembling the column. It's pretty shit, isn't it? And this is the right screw. This is not the right screw. Ah, shit. For some reason we positioned it next to it, but it doesn't belong. Must be this. Ah, yeah, this is. Ah, there you go. That is the right screw. Change of tool. My bad.
I don't care what you're doing. I don't care if you need it. I just know what I'm losing. I don't wanna be dead anymore. I don't care what you're doing to me. Sold my soul to a beautiful stranger, but at least I got buried alone. Always knew I was gonna get knocked out. I ain't got no grudge to hold. I can feel it, how you need it, telling me to stop living. Some things won't stay in the shadows, so summon your ghost now. I don't care what you're doing. I don't care if you need it. I just know.
Yes!
Perfect.
We have to wait because we're missing a part, so there's no power steering yet. But the wheels are moving. Beck is now removing the radiator. I know we put it on last week, but the pulley for the power steering arrived a bit earlier than expected.
In order to make the power steering belt fit, we need to shave the fan. So you can see I've drawn on, I don't know if you can see, but I've trimmed this one and the other's drawn the line. So it's getting rid of that 10 mil so that when the bolt goes around, the fan doesn't get in the way.
Now it's time to install the reservoir and figure out where to put it.
You seem to know something I don't. What's going on? Can you tell me what?
Ah, let's do this.
For welding that hole at all?
Ooh, like a weld this? Yeah, let's do this. Yeah. I'm gonna weld, beautiful, just so you know, I'm becoming a professional.
See it? You see that?
But it turns off, is that correct?
Yeah, your helmet will. It'll turn on and off.
Ah, okay. Ah.
Leading me higher. Leading me higher. I was found here. You come around here. I was found.
Is it good?
It looks like shit, but
Let me see.
like proper shit. Oh no. Don't show me freak.
It's okay.
It's okay. Don't be ashamed.
I think you did good.
We finally got the reservoir of the power steering in. It was a bit of a fight. Had to create personalized bracket, had to drill some hole at the front of the car, but now everything is in and tight. So we are happy with that. Beck is putting the battery back and we should be able to crank it.